Good afternoon, everyone. This is Professor Dan from Steel Camel. We're down here in Tampa, Florida today. As you can see, we have a couple jars of water and we have some goldfish in there today from the pet store. And we're going to talk to you today about removing oxygen and removing moisture from enclosures. So there's many ways you can remove water and moisture from enclosures, and today we're going to talk about two. One is Steel Camel, which is an absorbing polymer, kind of like a diaper. And the other one is very popular, which is clay, or Diatomaceous Earth. It's dried earth, and they pelletize it, and they put it in these little granulars, and they put it in desicant packs. Same with this. So this is important because moisture that gets in enclosures can have contamination. Contamination could be bugs, could be bacteria, could be microbes, all kinds of stuff that when it combines with moisture, it lands on your part, electronics, avionics, computer parts, and it causes corrosion. For this experiment, we got 32 ounces of water, 6 goldfish in each, and we're going to see which product absorbs more moisture. Here we go. So here we got 160 grams of clay. We're going to drop it in, and here we have 48 grams of Steel Camel absorbing polymer. Let's see what happens. Which one is absorbing more moisture? Let's keep our eye on it. So as you can see, we got a little cloudy, but the goldfish are still swimming and there's plenty of moisture. Let's see how this one's doing. There's no moisture left. And the goldfish, as you can see, are pretty much dead. So in summary, if you're really concerned about moisture in your packages that has electronics, that have circuit boards, that have avionics, and you want to deal with the moisture and you want to deal with the contamination, you have choices to make in which type of technology you use. So I wish to thank you very much. My name is Dan from Steel Camel. You can reach us at 813-877-4665 or steelcamel.com. And as a final thing, you can see it's completely dry, bone dry. A drop of water in there. And on this one, it's all types of water, and the fish are still alive. A little cloudy, but you can see there's goldfish still alive. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.